Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to digitally sign PDFs with Indigo PDF. In our opinion, Indigo PDF is the best free PDF editor, and we'll link some other videos to it in the description box below if you're interested in checking it out. Now, before we get started with the video, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so again, we have an overview video if you don't yet know how to use or even have Indigo PDF installed. But assuming you do, we're just going to simply open up Indigo PDF tools. Now, I have an NDA that I want to sign right now. And, we could convert that into a Word doc, edit it, convert it back into a PDF and download it, but that's a little bit time consuming. We could also use something like Dropbox Sign, but again, not everyone uses that. And this is a very, very fast and easy way to get signed PDFs back. All right. So here we are in Indigo PDF. All the way at the bottom, we're going to see miscellaneous operations. One quick note is that this is only available for the premium version. That being said, we'll go ahead and click sign. We're going to select our PDF here, which will bring up this pop-up. And I want to go ahead and select my NDA. All right. So let's just assume that I was sent this NDA by a client. We have page 1 here where I could put information here as well. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to be filling in the disclosing party's signature, name, and date. All right, so we could upload an image. We would do it this way here. We could, for example, have a PNG that we exported from Photoshop. We could also manually draw our signature here if we wanted to do that. I'm going to elect the text input. So I'll put my name, and I'm going to change the font to, I like that one. That looks pretty cool. So I'll click add. Now, by default, it comes up here towards the top left, and we can just easily move it around and place it where we want. So I'll put it about in the middle of my line here, and now we can actually just click on the edges here to resize. So I'll click from the bottom and the top until I'm content, and maybe it could be a little bigger, and then we can always just move it around again. So I'll probably want it right there. Now, I'm going to do the same thing, but with a standard font for the print section. So again, I'm dragging it into place. And I'm just resizing it. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. Let's do it one more time, and this time I'm going to add today's date. We'll click add, and I'll drag this over the date box. Again, I'm kind of going like right over the middle of it, and then just resizing each corner until it's about where I want it. All right, I'd say that's pretty good. So again, I could do this for the first page as well if I wanted to, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to click download PDF. I'll click to show in the folder, and I might rename this as signed by Gabe NDA. All right. And then let's just open that up and see what it looks like. All right. So here is the PDF that I just opened in Edge. And as we can see, it is signed. And so a PDF is a document that cannot be edited, which would make this a perfectly legitimate way to send a signed PDF. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. You can find a link to Indigo PDF tools in the description box below. And we also wanted to remind you that if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll also have those links below. We strongly encourage any video topic ideas that you guys may have for us. And a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps make more videos like these possible. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.